In this video, you'll learn how to combine the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin with facial animations and other body animations. For this tutorial, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.8, the latest version available at the time of recording. However, you can follow along with any Unreal Engine version starting from 5.0, since that's the minimum version supported by the plugin. If you're watching this video, I assume you already have lip sync working on your MetaHuman. If you don't, check out the other videos on this YouTube channel to learn how to set it up. Let's begin. Open the animation blueprint where you already have your lip sync logic set up. Go to the Anim Graph. Add a layered blend per bone node. Select it. In the Details panel, expand Layer Setup, then Index. Create 3 branch filters. Next, find the Curve Blend option and set it to Use Max Value. This allows custom facial expressions or emotions from your added animation to be properly layered on top of the lip sync. Now add a Sequence Player node. Select your facial animation sequence. You can use any animation that's compatible with your character's rig. Let's test it.
Take a deep breath. Look around. Maybe this moment is better than you think. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. You don't need to know exactly where you're going.
If your base facial animation already overlaps with what lip sync controls, the lip sync may end up looking subtle, muted, or a bit off. You can fix this by editing the animation sequence to remove the conflicting mouth curves. For body animation, you'll need to edit the animation blueprint of the body. Go to the Anim Graph. Add a Sequence Player node and select your body animation. Though in practice, this could be anything from blend spaces to fully procedural and physics-driven animation. Let's test it again.
Look at how far you've already come. There are things you once worried about that no longer matter. There are moments you thought you wouldn't get through, and yet here you are. So take another breath. Let yourself be present for a while. Maybe you don't need to change everything today. Maybe this moment is already worth appreciating.
If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out on Discord or by email. Thank you for watching, and enjoy working with Georgie Dev plugins.